Take one, action. Hello, and congratulations. By starting this video, you've shown initiative. We need more people like you around here. Good job. Without further ado, let's begin. Upon unpacking your RingCentral box, you should find several things. You should find one, telephone base. One plastic base. One curled receiver cable. One receiver. One wall plug outlet. One transformer adapter. And one Ethernet cable. Setup proceeds as follows. Turn over the main portion of the phone. At the bottom of this phone, you've got several holes. These are important, and they are as follows. Power. Going to my computer. That's not right. Power. Coming from the wall. Going to my computer. Going to the handset. I find it's easiest to start with the handset. So we plug that cable into the port that says handset. And the other end into the base of the receiver. You'll also find life is much simplified if you run your cables toward the top of the phone. I'll explain why in a minute. Follow this by plugging in your power adapter into the appropriate spot on the phone. And again, run the cord towards the top of the telephone. Next, you may plug the adapter into your power brick. And if you're feeling risky, you can even give it power right now. In order to make this phone work, it has to be connected to the internet. That's absolutely vital. No internet, no phone. So, with the computer that you're going to be setting the phone up next to, the easiest thing you can do is take the Ethernet cable that's in the back of that computer out and plug it into the port that says LAN, LAN, or Local Area Network. And again, run it towards the top of the phone. Then find the Ethernet cable which came with your telephone, plug one into the port that says PC, and the other into the back of the computer in the Ethernet port. Now for the reason we've run everything towards the front of the phone. Your plastic base has a little knobbly bit right here. And down there at the bottom you'll find a slot that will receive that. So, you align that knobbly bit in its hole and push it down. You'll hear it click, and you now have a sturdy, stable phone. Assuming everything has gone well, your phone should restart several times whilst downloading its new firmware and software, then be ready to use. If a user has not registered their phone yet, using the email they received from RingCentral, they will need to either register or contact their IT administrator. If this still does not work after being registered, the phone will need to be sent in for RMA. Please contact your administrator for further instructions. Thank you for taking initiative and setting up your RingCentral phone.